And I've got the director and one of the actors here for Auckland Daze, so please welcome to the show. Oh, look at that, they're standing up on their feet already.
That's what I'm used to.
Carl McNaughton and of course Fasitua Amosa. I know a lot of the viewers have been waiting for this day as well.
Yeah. We actually shot this baby over a year ago. So we've been, so
we're like, finally, yes, better late than never.
The internet thing is, it's almost something you cannot anticipate what something is going to do. Like take Fussy's call out to Sunnyville Williams.
Yes.
You know, that was just done
in an afternoon, just because I was watching the other ones and I thought, I'll just throw my hat in the ring, just make my own one and chuck it out there, and I just went bananas.
Yeah.
Were you aware he was doing this?
No, he posted it up and I saw it. It was awesome, and then it had the plug for Auckland Daze, and like, man.
The name of the game is called Acting Badly. You'll see there in front of you.
I'm gonna have trouble with that.
Lyrics to a popular song. And you shouldn't say that because your director is sitting right next to you.
You're fired.
I've also been on Shortland Street, so I know all about acting, baby.
I like it.
Look, man, I'm gonna make a change. Okay, for once in my life, it's gonna feel real good.
No, it's not.
It's gonna feel real good. It's gonna make a difference.
Don't talk
okay?
Don't talk
It's gonna
to me
make it
about
right.
Making any changes. Last time you said you were gonna make a change, you know. You helped me turn up the collar on my favourite winter coat.
But the wind is blowing in my mind. You know, I see kids in the street.
I see lots of kids on the street.
So many kids in the street.
Yeah.
With not enough to eat.
Don't talk to me about not having
Who
enough
am I
to
to
eat.
be blind?
You're blind to my needs, man. You pretend not to see my needs.
Yeah, because of summer's disregard, I got a broken bottle top in my shoe. Can't walk properly, I'm hobbling.
Hit me with that broken bottle top.
Look, one man's soul, they follow each other on. The wind, because there's no whales to ride.
On the wind, you know, cause I'm a Chinaman in Ireland.
Because they got nowhere to go.
I got nowhere to go.
Well, we can go to war. Into battle. That's why I want you to know.
What do you want me to know?
They can take our lives, but they'll never take...
The mirror.
Yeah, the mirror.
The mirror. That's what you want.
Because, I'm starting with the man. Oh yeah, you a man?
Well...
Say yes.
Well, I'm your brother.
Well, just because you're my brother doesn't mean you're a man.
Well...
I'm asking you to change your ways, bro. Change your ways. No message could have been clearer.
Okay, you're freaking me out here,
Look,
bro.
if you want to make the world a better place.
I think I'm going to stop you there because you're freaking me out. I know you guys are method actors, and I want you guys
it's
to
getting
have
freaky in here.
Yeah, it's getting very freaky.
NiuFM official.